So there was a big windstorm and it blew all the trees down in my dad's yard. So basically I have free firewood. That's all we're gonna do today is just load them up and take them to the cabin property. So sit back and crack a beer and enjoy. I might have to put a jacket on to protect my arms. I'll see how this goes. When you're fat and old, you gotta do chores. Oh, you turned into a slob. Especially if you like the beers. Better put that in better. I'm gonna read to you guys later. Huckleberry Finn. Oh, I lost the mic. That's no good. Or did I? I don't know what that was. Oh, still got the mic. I don't know what that was. Big bug. And then I'm gonna cook some pork chops on the fire. I'll do another video of unloading this for you guys. You gotta keep exercising when you get older. Otherwise you turn into a big fat Karen that thinks they can talk shit and back it up. But then when someone steps up to you, you soon get out of breath. So 2 lessons. Keep doing exercises. And the second is just don't talk shit. Just be a good person. But don't put up with shit either. Watch that doesn't fall on my feet. Learn that. Yeah. Sing, sing a song, make it special to last the whole night long. Don't matter if it's not good enough for anyone else to hear, just sing, sing a song, something like that. My youngest taught me to sing when I do chores, and then it takes the monotony away. Comes to an age where you don't give a shit what people think, what you sound like, or what you're doing. And life becomes really enjoyable at that point. Yeah! Sweating balls out here. Oh, this stuff rotten. Yeah, I don't want this stuff. Okay, that's it. See if I can set you guys up to show me trying to drive out of here. This jackassery. All right, let's try to set this up. Take you out here. Oh, I don't edit this, so what you see is what you get. All right, let's see if we're going to capture some stupidity and me sinking in manure trying to get out of here. Do, 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 do. Oh, there's a log we're going to have to get over. All right. Do, 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 do. Yes, I fucking hear you, engine. Okay. Woo, she's hot. All right, let's see what happens. Maybe I'm going to 4 low. Put this in a neutral. Going to 4 low. Going to drive. Yep. Good luck making this corner. Yeah, that's what's happening. Whoa! We're gonna have to do a big swoopy swoop here. Keep going. That. 19-point turn, like that. Like this. Now watch the logs hit the gates. Nope, good, cleared. Don't sink in the manure. Presto bingo boingo. That's all she wrote.